Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How are you guys doing? So I know it's been a while since you guys have last seen me. I think the last time I did a video I had tapered hair and I was in process of trying to grow out that tapered cut. And let me just tell you, I am still in that process. It has been a very slow and tedious process, and I guess because I just really have not been caring for my hair in the way that it needs, and I had not been drinking a lot of water for certain vitamins to be effective for me. But I am working on that. If you guys want to know or want an update regarding that, just let me know down in the comment section below. But the purpose of me doing today's video, because I want to enlighten you or prepare you. So we may be possibly facing a recession, and you don't want it to be a situation like it had been when the pandemic first took off. So I just want to kind of just go over some things that you will need if you have tapered hair. Go ahead and start stocking up on whatever you're going to need to maintain your tapered haircut. And I just want to share with you guys a few products that I use, whether you want to use it for tapered hair or you may have long hair. Like I said, I'm in that in-between stage trying to grow out my tapered haircut. So what I'm going to share with you is what any natural hair sister can use. And I'm going to have one too that is specifically for tapered hair. So let's go ahead without further ado and jump right on into it. So products that you would need, that you want to make sure you have enough of to at least carry you for 6 months, maybe longer. Make sure you look at the expiration date on those products before you make the purchase, FYI. So with the natural hair, we know when we wash our hair, we need to follow up with the leave-in conditioner for our hair. So girl, get you some leave-in conditioner. I prefer Cantu's Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. They do have another one. Oh, y'all, I'm a little rusty. Y'all know I ain't did no videos in a minute. I can't think of the other one, but they have 2 leave-in conditioners. I just prefer the Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. And as you guys can see, this is almost gone, okay? And FYI, you can also use this as a moisturizer for installing braids. As you guys can see, I'm currently wearing braids, and this is what I use as my hair moisturizer of choice. Some people use hair grease, petroleum, whatever you want to call it. But this is what I choose to use. I also use this in my tapered hair, okay? Because at the end of the day, you need just a leave-in conditioner for your hair after a good wash. Next, I want to talk about a hair smoothie. Is this a necessity? Not necessarily, but you can almost get some of the same benefits just from a leave-in conditioner. But if you choose to want to have some type of curling cream, especially if your hair is more curly, more of that 4B, 4A, and on back hair type, and this will be beneficial for you. I like to also use this as a leave-in conditioner. Yes, your girl does. I do use it as a leave-in, and I also use it as a hair moisturizer for if I'm braiding my hair. This is also great for tapered hair. When your hair is very short, maybe about that short, you know, you can go in, you can apply this to your hair, and it's going to give your hair that really cute curly look, especially if you pair it with a good gel. If you want that leave-in, if you want that wet and wavy, wet and curly look, these two together would work wonders. Which leads me to gel. Listen, we all like baby hair. I'm not really stuck on baby hair like that, but from time to time, to just zhuzh up my look, I do like a little baby hair. If you have tapered hair or longer natural hair, you want to make sure you have a good gel to set that style in place if you want to get some longevity with that style, and if you just want to zhuzh up your look and add that baby hair, okay, which takes a hairstyle to a whole nother level. This is great for tapered hair because if you have more kinkier hair, once you do go in with the cream or a leave-in conditioner, whatever you're going to use as your moisturizer, you definitely want to follow up with the gel so that it will set that style in place for you, and you can at least get a couple of days out of that style. So that's going to be very beneficial for you. Okay, let's go to the next thing. You definitely want to make sure you have a spray bottle. You might want yourself 2 or 3 of these just to have, because this is going to be great whenever you need to revitalize their hairstyle, whether it's tapered hair, whether it's short hair. A quick spritz. You can also add your essential oils to it, whatever have you. Just give your hair a little bit more moisture while feeding it that underlying food that it needs, which is H2O. Y'all, hair tools. Make sure you have all the hair tools you need, okay? Combs, brushes, picks. Make sure you have that. That is essential. You're going to need it, okay? Now, you may think, I don't need a whole lot of those. But if we go into a recession, there are going to be a lot of things that we may not have access to. So please make sure you have all of your hair tools that you need. I'm not showing it in today's video. I typically don't use it a lot in my hair, but you probably want to make sure you also have a good working hair dryer that blows out cool air in addition to warm air, depending on the type of hair that you have. Now, I'm not saying go out there and buy 10 hair curling smoothies, 10 leave-in conditioners, 10 jugs of gel. But what I am saying is make sure that you have you enough that is going to last you at least for a good 6 months, because we do not know how long that we may not have access to certain products. And for my natural hair girls, y'all know we can't go out there looking on any kind of way. Our hair do require some products. So to ensure that you have the type of product that you prefer, please make sure that you have plenty of it to last you. This is whether you have long hair, short hair, tapered hair. Natural hair just requires some product besides just the water, okay? Now, tapered hair. Please, please, please. I don't know if, I don't know if you're going to be able to afford to even go to the barber, okay? If barbers are going to even be available for you to even go to, because everybody's going to be tending to their own household. I highly recommend that you watch some YouTube videos, and there are some great ones out there that teaches you how to taper your own hair, how to clean up your own hair before it gets just out of control if you want to maintain short natural hair. I do have and I'm not sure how to pronounce it. People pronounce it different ways. I have the Wally or the Wall or the Well. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But I keep these clippers on hand, and I've watched quite a few YouTube videos to kind of just learn how to taper my hair. And I love this particular kit because it comes with everything that I feel as a beginner hair cutter, hair taper, whatever you want to call it. It comes with everything that you need as a beginner. And this kit includes quite a bit. Of course, you get the clippers, okay? You can charge it up and then it can become cordless, okay? So you have the clippers itself, and then one of the things that I love about the clippers, it tells you for each hair guard or clipper how many inches of hair that it will cut. So I really, really love that a lot. And here's all the guards, okay? It comes with the comb. It comes with the little oil. I don't know if you can see the little oil to kind of keep the clipper, from rusting. And it also comes with some shears, okay? But what I have done is I've separated from the pack of guards the particular guards that I like to use whenever I'm tapering my hair. So I don't have to go in and try to figure out which guards that I need. These are the specific guards that I need if I so choose in the future to want to go back and cut my hair off all over again. Now, am I saying that you need to go out there and buy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clipper kits? Absolutely not. But what I am saying to you is just make sure you have at least 1 or 2 clippers. In the event You just come to a point where you have to cut your own hair. And please go ahead and educate yourself and watch all these YouTube videos out there. Maybe have a conversation with your barber to give you some advice, just in case you have to maintain your own hair. So yeah, you guys, that's all that I have for you today. Y'all don't get caught out there with your pants down. Just make sure you have some of the basics that you need to at least maintain your hair for a couple of months, because again, we do not know what we may be coming up against, but you definitely want to make sure that you are prepared for a couple of months, maybe even a year. So yeah, you guys, that concludes today's video. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.